Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Helping Branch on YouTube and Facebook page and Instagram page Rishi Online Service Center. Friends, I want to discuss you SSC MTS vacancy. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you are not subscribed till now, then please subscribe our channel and share to other students. Let's start the video. This vacancy is SSC MTS multitasking apps. And the vacancy is in the post of Havaldar, and the vacancy total post is 1075. Date is, will be discussed. The application is start already from 26th June 2025, and the last date is 24 July 2025. And the correction date is, if you want to any correction by mistakes, you have filled the any correction, then you will also correct it within the 29th to 31st July in 2025. If you want to know the exam date, the exam date will be 20 September to 24 October 2025, and your admit card will be available before the exam. Please keep watching our videos. To know the application fees is for general OBC EWS candidates only 100 rupees. And if you are belong from physical handicap, SC, ST, or you are a female, then you will fill the forms without any cost. It's free, totally free. If you want to know the age limit for this vacancy, the age limit should be, your minimum age is 18 years and maximum age should be 25 to 27 years. You also eligible for age relaxation under the SSC guidelines. Some categories are displayed in the board. You can see there. Yes, if you are from SC, ST, then you will get another 5 years, and for OBC candidates 3 years, PWD customers 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD SC, ST belongs to 15 years, ESM for 3 years extra. ESM stand for ex-serviceman. After the duration of your military service, you will be eligible for 3 years extra. This vacancy is MTS and Havaldar. There is no vacancy in MTS, but in the Havaldar 1075 posts. And here is some physical requirement is, if you are male candidates, then you should walk in only 15 minutes, and your height will be 157.5 centimeter, and your chest is 81 to 86 centimeter. And if you are a girl or female, then 1 kilometer walk in 20 minutes only, and your height is 152 centimeter should be. It is mandatory. Let's start the documentation for this applying these jobs. You have to carry the clear photograph color in white backgrounds, and your signature will be clear and visible. It should be only on black or blue pen. For education certificates, you have to pass 10th certificates only for uploading the mark sheets. If you are higher qualification, then you should be also apply for this job, and you should be upload your documentations. You have to mandatory part of Aadhaar card, because this vacancy need to stand for OTR, one time registration. It should be only on Aadhaar authentications. So you need to Aadhaar card. And second, if you are apply from other states, then you will be the domicile certificate for the relative states. You have to income certificates for EWS candidate. EWS stand for economical weaker sections. And special category for physical handicaps, you have to need to upload your physical handicap certificate while applying this job. And the applications link is in the description, so kindly go there and apply this job. If you want to apply from our side, then you can mail us, or you can chat with our team on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is +91 97800 57793. You can mail us on rishihelpingbranch@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. and love you all friends.